project certification. First of all, imported libraries, then reading the data set, and cleaning and pre-processing, checking the null values, and for understanding the data exploration and understanding and summary of the data, and converting categorical features into values and checking that some null values and the data, then visualize the data throughout the pie chart, predicting why value satisfied and dissatisfied, and checking the correlation between the categorical features and is using scatter plot, heat map, and histogram as well. Number of flights in age groups, like number of flights in distance, like now handling the outliers, which is using box plot, and handling the outlier using z score as well. Then checking the again the flight relationship between the flight and the number of flights, and visualize that each categorical feature with respect to opposite, like class and female male. Then class, checking the class loyal and disloyal, eco, business class, and entertainment as well using box plot. Then the dissatisfied and satisfied based on the customer leg room space, service quality, and checking the unique values like that. Then we have the simply trend test split the data. And first of all, I trained the Canon built-in model and also confusion matrix for to evaluation the model, then customize model for the nearest neighbor, the almost accuracy of the both of the same, and the logis regression also in built-in, which shows 0.77 accuracy, and also confusion matrix evaluation of the Canon built-in model. Then the custom model of the logis regression, which shows the same accuracy as well the built-in model. The same case for the naive base in built-in in confusion matrix, and the cause for the decision tree, which is also in built-in and confusion matrix of the decision tree as well. So the next is the random forest. We have the built-in random forest and the custom random forest. The third one is alternative method, which is stacking. We add the stacking and the throughout the logis regression decision tree with random forest, which shows the highest accuracy among all.